I am Eric with Mother.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one Creator. In today's video, it's going to be more of a follow-through or follow-up to a video I did last week as regards Ethereum. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the crypto market as a whole, and I want to discuss from an educational standpoint what I see are the probabilities based on the chart. So let's go to the total crypto index as furnished by TradingView.com. It's a good index that essentially captures the sentiment and the price direction and trend for the entire crypto market. So one of the main disclaimers here is on the big time frame, the monthly RSI as of right now for the total crypto market is above 69.1. And as we are aware, or let me say at least as far as my clients are aware, this is a very strong phase for the crypto landscape. So take everything that I say here as an educational, observation, because as long as the RSI remains above 69.1, the short-term resistances I'm going to be discussing are not going to be as powerful. So let's begin with the weekly chart. And this is, again, total crypto market. We can see here on the weekly, the last couple of instances where we've tried to move above the recent range in terms of price. Your RSI has been making lower and lower highs. So we can say that that is negative divergence, lower and lower highs, as prices have been making an improvement there. So that negative divergence could be an issue. Also, we can see that this has been an area around RSI 69.1. And on the weekly, we've not been able to recapture this phase. So I would say also that is another visual concern for crypto bulls. Also, if you use my uniformity concept, figure out where we broke down recently as of May, which is conveniently around RSI 69.1 again. That break constitutes coming off the highs as of May 2021. Take that break point of the RSI and extend it out. And we can see that we've tagged this over the last couple of weeks as the cryptos have been moving higher. So that's another concerning view. So to correct this, given the strength of the RSI, we would want to see price moving higher so this area of the RSI can be breached to the upside. In other words, we want to see the RSI above this level if the bulls are going to see continued move in the crypto market as a whole. Now remember, this is just an average for all cryptos. Some cryptos might move with their own unique trend and flavor, but for the most part, this is going to be concerning all the cryptos as a group. Now, if I take the lows on the weekly here, lows of late 2018, and these lows here, lows of these lows here, lows of 2019, lows of 2018. And I connect those 2 points. We can see how movement back above the black line gave us this recovery of 2020 lows. Eventually would come back and break below this level, which is this break here of the highs there. And over the last couple of weeks, we've gone above it, back below it with uniform action. And now looks like we might be doing the same resistance on the black line. So I would say from my vantage point, that's another area to watch or another indication of potential of resistance. If we take a look at the daily, we can see here on the daily as BTC was trading close to 62,000 a couple of days ago. The total crypto market came to the top side of their daily RSI and seems to be respecting that RSI line. So as long as that line is resistance, the indication is prices are biased to the downside, unless this can turn around and clear the topside resistance line on the daily RSI. So again, that's one view. It's a simple line connecting RSI topside, as seen right there, with recent resistance coming right there on cue during this daily closing highs from a couple of days ago, about October 15th or so of 2021. Also, using my uniformity concept, this is where we break down recently during this daily push down. Take that break point and extend it out. Draw a uniformity horizontal line. In other words, anytime you have uniform activity above the line, back below it, that tends to be good for a reversal. That's another indication of potential resistance around current levels. Now, let's take a look at the 4-hourly. And here I'm going to draw one line. It is a line connecting recent hourly, recent 4-hourly lows, this double bottom also, and this area here. So from this single line, we can see from a timing perspective, a break of this trend line might be confirming the resistance that we see on the weekly, daily. Otherwise, to correct this, the 4-hourly needs to defend this line so that the powerful monthly chart can influence the charts and fix some of the issues that we see and have seen in this video on the weekly and the daily chart. So put it simple, if I was swing trading this, I would be watching this RSI lows line on the 4-hourly, because a break of this trend line is going to invite some selling because of the resistances that have already been identified on the weekly time frame and on the daily time frame. All of this, remember, is within a very strong monthly chart. So it also means bouncing on this line could actually be, from a swing trade perspective, giving indication that the monthly chart is true to its power and things should be bouncing and clearing the daily and weekly resistance levels. I am Eric with Mother.com, and I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.